Could you please explain the term al-kufr, which implies...
Al-kufr.
Kufr.
Maybe al-kufr.
Which implies certain conditions, which I think go against the fundamentals of the Islamic social philosophy.
What kufr means? Is that what you want to find out?
Well, from what I understand, I think it's like when two people get married, this means that they should come from a similar background. But our teaching...
You know, kufr means something which fits in as a complementary to the other things. Like fitting the jigsaw puzzle, one piece is fitted into another and there is no friction and no loopholes to fill. That is perfect kufr. Kufr means the system of complementing. So if something is incomplete without another and that part fits into it, that is ideally the kufr. This is why Allah has no kufr, because He is complete by Himself. He does not lack any part to come and make Him complete. So man and wife are to be treated like this. I mean, if a wife is to be sought by man or husband is to be sought by a woman, this is the principle which should guide them. When you find a true kufr, there is no friction of any sort left. There is a complete harmony and they work like one piece of a machinery. If you ignore certain things and there is disharmony or tensions or contradictions between the two, then it will be very difficult to run a smooth life or an ideal life. Now it's very difficult for human beings to judge how to go about it. Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam has given us a guideline. He says, for the believers, the most important and fundamental thing to go for is taqwa, being pious in attitude. If somebody is pious-minded, is righteous, is good as far as religion is concerned, even if in other things he is lacking kufr, this is a very great cushioning which will help sustain the shock of differences of opinion in things. If a man is pious, then lack of kufr in other fields can be offset. If the man is a worldly person, materialistic in approach, then the lack of kufr will be pronounced to a degree where life can become a hell for the couple. So this is why Rasul Kareem sallallahu alaihi wasallam has advised to find the kufr, go first and foremost for piety. If piety is there, then you should rest assured that life will be alright, because other lackings would be more than well provided.